In this video, we are going to see how to make easy creamy strawberry ice cream with least ingredients. Here I have taken total 250 grams of fresh strawberries. I have washed this and cleaned nicely. Cut the top part and then chop this finely because we need to grind this. Transfer into your mixie jar or blender. Just grind this for less than 1 minute and you will get a smooth paste. So our strawberry puree is ready. Keep it aside or in your refrigerator. So here I have freezed the bowl and the attachment of the beater in the freezer for at least 20 minutes. Now add 2 cups of chilled whipping cream. You can also add Amul fresh cream, but then you need to beat this for a longer time and you need to add more sugar because Amul fresh cream is not sweet. Beat this until medium stiff peaks. Then here I am adding 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can also add normal granulated sugar. Then few drops of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. This is optional, and if you have strawberry essence, that's well and good, but this is optional. Whip until these things are well combined just for few seconds. Here I am adding almost 300 grams of condensed milk. I had a 400 gram of can and I added almost 300 out of it. Here you can add some whip and then check whether, you can taste and see if it's fine or not. If you feel it's less sweet, then you can add more. Like, this is the best part about the homemade ice cream, that you can adjust everything according to you and your taste. Then here goes our strawberry puree that we had refrigerated. Now about the strawberry puree, our strawberries are not very sweet, it's sour and sweet. Then you can add some powdered sugar in the strawberry puree itself before adding it into this whipping cream. Mix it a bit and then add it into this whipped cream. I did the same thing. You can adjust the sweetness according to you. Then by using a spatula, mix this patiently. It will take less than 4 minutes. Then I added few drops of red food gel color, which is totally optional. Even before adding it, I was getting a very beautiful pink color, though I added it. That's why it's optional, totally optional. Then give it a good mix. Then here I am transferring the strawberry ice cream batter into a plastic container. This is the same ice cream container that I used for my chocolate ice cream recipe. Then I'm covering it with a small piece of butter paper and then with a big piece of foil paper. You can just cover it with a lid, but do put the butter paper because we do not want any crystallization. Freeze this for 12 hours or overnight. Now this is post 14 to 15 hours. You can see how nicely the ice cream is scooping out. You can also use a spoon to scoop this out. You can check out the texture of this ice cream by yourself. Here I am drizzling some roux afza. You can also drizzle some strawberry syrup if you have, or some dry fruits or whatever you want, or have it like this only, because this ice cream is very tasty. No one can say that this is an homemade ice cream because this is very tasty. So do try this homemade tasty strawberry ice cream before the strawberry season is gone. Like, nothing is better than an ice cream in winters especially.